I just think hip hop and cinematography are one very, very strong combo. I think without the two, especially in our year and our age, it would be very, very hard to get a message across. Some of the greatest songs now in recent years have been shown to prove their message out through music videos, through the cinematography, and I feel like even in a slow sense, the topic of music, the topic of cinematography, the topic of hip hop can be shown. You don't necessarily have to have someone rapping, someone singing to show that anymore, just like we have here now. I mean, I feel like that's what I really just adore and I'm intrigued about with cinematography. It truly is one powerful art form.
I feel like it's a great form of communication. Like if you have anything on your chest, anything on your mind, you can just put it on paper, release it, record it, in case you don't want to talk to other people. It's a form of communication, and I use it to the advantage. People think hip hop is just like a music genre, which is not true. It's also a culture. Hip hop is a form.
Connections are made through similarities. Hip hop has always brought people together. That's what's so magnificent about the art form. Cinematography, creating videos, has always brought people together. Millions of people, in fact. And both of those can harness billions and billions of people. That's why I think music and hip hop are very, very influential. I think you will agree. You have the power to change and influence society. That's what we need. A change.